welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. And wow, it has been a crazy night because I have been up super late with Australia, a bit later still, kind of super early with UK, and then still early with the US as the online exclusives went live, because I wanted to get these ready for you. Stampin' Up really wants us to send our customers to the online store, and that's great unless you are teaching in a hall where you don't have the internet, unless your customers are not internet savvy and are used to buying from you. So Stampin' Up do not produce printables. I found it just so amazing to use the printables last time that I knew I had to put the work in, and I wanted to put the work in early doors so that you had them as soon as possible. So they're ready, yay! Let me talk to you about what I've done. Individual bundles go onto a single page. We include the graphics, we include the description and the ordering number, the item number for English language stamps bundles. Be aware of that. The pricing is available by request. I've added the EU pricing because, as my Irish and Dutch demo friends reminded me, they use the English stamps, so I've got the Euro prices on there too. And so what I do is to put everything together there so that you're not trying to print everything that's available and then having things go out of stock. And I'll come back to that in a moment. For the sweets, they're on 2 pages. You can print one on the back or put one on the back. I've got the online mix. Now, I did online mixes last time where we had these standalone projects. Can you tell I'm like going like the clappers here still? I'm teaching this morning as well. Honestly, I'm teaching in, oh my Lord, I'm teaching in an hour, but I'm keeping going with this. Okay, so with the online mix, one comment I got, and I'm still ready for comments on this. This is a new thing. One comment I got is, online mix 1, 2, 3 didn't tell you anything. So although it still says online mix at the top, on the descriptions of these, you can actually see what I've included. So if you're trying to find, oh, I just want to print out the thing that's got so very merry on it, that's what you need to do. So yeah, so it's clear, it's easier to find. Is what I'm going to say. Also a little bonus one, I've put the most recent kits on one of these as well. If you want me at some stage to do all the kits, let me know. I'm happy to do it. Not today. Oh my goodness. You may also notice, if you've been stalking the internet, that one of the things that we were promised, maybe in only some areas of the world, has not appeared anywhere, and I think there's a reason for that. It's the Hanukkah stamp set, and there have been some pushbacks from our lovely Jewish demos who have said, hang on a minute, you've made some mistakes here. So I could be wrong, but I'm thinking that's why that was pulled. So I had to take my graphics off for that and change it around. As I say, crazy night. Anyway, it's ready to go. Let me tell you a couple of things that you might find helpful if you decide to buy this class. And if you don't want to listen to that now, yeah, the link's right down below. You can whiz over to the Ready Set Demo vlog or Google that, and you will find it. Okay, so what else have I got to tell you? Yeah, so in class, I put them in these punched pockets, which I just get from Amazon. Mine are Ryman A4 ones, but obviously other areas of the world you might need something else, but I put them in those. In class, I do put them both sides, so this would be kind of three pieces of A4, and also that's handy with a bundle because it's on kind of both sides, or you can have it so you can see it all at once. Anyway, however, That's how I share them. What happens when one of those things goes out of stock, is not available, or maybe is going to come into your market but hasn't arrived yet? I use post-it notes over them. They say, sorry you missed out, if they're completely gone, which is it does help people to know that these are not around forever. So that may help our customers to know that get them while they're hot. I put if they are going to return but they're currently unavailable, I put I'll be back, Arnie style. And I also let my customers place orders for those things that we know that we'll be back. So definitely Irresistible Blooms, I had a lovely order to put through because several ladies wanted that bundle or the stamps or the dies. And I had those ready to go the minute that came back. And then coming soon, I put if something hasn't arrived in our market yet, but is coming. So is there anything else? Yes, the other things I want to tell you are the upgrades since last time. As I said, I had a request for EU prices, so those are on there, but still note, codes are for the English language, otherwise it gets crazy if I have to put all the languages on there as well. The extra bonus is recent kits. That was something else that I was asked for, so I've done recent kits. The other thing is I've paid a bit of extra for my graphics subscription, so I can make the look of this a bit cleaner. And what I mean by that is it's going to be cheaper for you to print. Wherever possible, I'm removing backgrounds. So, for example, there with the scoring blades, you just see the scoring blades. So you're not printing a kind of a grey box, which actually takes quite a lot of ink. I've done that everywhere I can, but occasionally something like the sequins, it won't do it. It will not take it all. So I've done my best, but it's a lot cleaner look. And as I say, for you and your printer ink, cheaper for you to print. And me, and me, we don't want to spend more on printer ink than we need to. I have kept the cost of this just to £4, which I think is going to come in at about $5.60-ish US. Let me know if you buy it in US dollars. Just send me a little message and say, Liz, you were right. Liz, you were totally wrong. But I was trying to work it out based on my £10 class from last week. Let's Go Shopping class. If you haven't seen it, a little plug. Ready, set, demo. Let's go shopping. Anyway, shall I breathe? Hopefully these will really help you. As I said, they really helped me with my in-person classes. Less than an hour now. I will be whizzing across with these this morning. And obviously combined as I talk to you now, we've also got the bonus days launching again. Woohoo. So yeah, we've got bonus days. Yeah, just can't wait for all of that. I'm sure my lovely ladies will be using their bonus days coupon earning with some of these goodies. Shall I breathe? I think it's time for me to breathe. Thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room today. Bye my demo friends.